Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on the main admin account in Edcite Schools. The main admin account is the account that houses all information within your Edcite Schools account, and the only place where you can do these two things: check the audit log to see all of the activity within the Edcite Schools account, and user management, where you can create and adjust user permissions. Generally, only one or two people have access to the main admin account, and it will only really be used for these two reasons. First, let's review the audit log. To view the audit log, I select the schoolhouse at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down, I choose Audit Log. Here, I'm able to see the specific action and which user completed that action. If I'm looking for a specific test, class, teacher, etc., I can use the search option to type in what I'm looking for. The second function of the main admin account is user management. User management is where the main admin account can give individuals or groups of teachers access privileges. We recommend using teacher groups as much as possible. Quick side note on creating teacher groups. Any user with access to edit all teacher groups is able to add teacher groups. You can also do this from the main admin account. Go to Rosters, District Teachers, then select the plus to the right of the teacher group title. Add the name of the group, and then select Submit. To add teachers to that group, simply check the box to the left of their names, then hover over Group Options, Add to Group. Find the name of the group you'd like to add the teachers to. Any teachers added into a group will be given all the permissions you've set for that group. To manage permissions in user management, I click on the schoolhouse at the top right, and then User Management. Next, I select if I'll be updating permissions for an individual teacher or a teacher group. Then I select the box to the left of the teacher group or name. If this is a group I'd like to provide sub-admin access to, meaning anyone added to this group would be given administrator access in order to, for example, view reports for multiple classes, to log in as teachers and/or students, or to create district distributions, I select Make Sub-Admin. Once the user management page opens, I move through each category and decide which permissions to give the individual or group. Under Reports, I decide if I'd like them to have access to specific schools or all schools, specific grades, or all grades. For teachers, I can allow them to log in as other teachers, see teachers for specific schools or all schools, and view and edit teacher groups. Under Students, I can decide if I would like to allow them to log in as students, see students for specific schools or all schools, specific grades, or all grades. Student Groups is where I allow access to student groups for their own students, all students, and/or generating reports for student groups. Next up is Classes. I decide if I want teachers to be able to see classes for specific schools or all schools, specific grades or all grades, and also see class groups. Under Distributions, I decide if I'd like to allow educators to distribute assessments to specific schools or all schools, grades or all grades, and as well as giving them access to distribution folders. For assignments, I can give them access to view assignment folders for the entire district, no folders, or select folders, manage assignment folders for the entire district, no folders, or select folders. And the same with questions. Would I like them to see for the entire district, no folders, or select folders? Once I've decided on my settings, I select Submit Authorizations. Quick reminder that anyone I add to that teacher group will now automatically be given the permissions I just set. Congratulations! Now you know how to use the main admin account to check the audit log and assign user permissions. If you need any help using this information to set up your Edcite Schools account, please don't hesitate to contact support@edcite.com. Happy testing!